Couldn't agree more, Minnie. Now it's your turn. Let's all pretend to be like Spider-Man or Ghost Spider and shoot webs from our hands. Put your hands out like this to shoot your webbing. As you do the move, say flip. Are you ready?
Out there?
Yes, we do! Oh, maybe we should bring out some more heroes!
Great idea, Minnie!
I agree! On the count of 3, let's all pull out, assemble. Ready? 1, 2, 3, assemble!
It's Donald and Daisy!
You all look great, superheroes!
So do you, Daisy! Welcome, heroes! I'm loving the looks! What do Donald and the Hulk have in common?
Isn't that they're always angry?
And, just like the Hulk, Donald knows that strength can be physical, but it can also be mental too. Like knowing when not to let it all out. Right, Donald?
And Daisy, you look ready to finish the job, just like the always reliable Black Widow.
You can count on me!
And just like Black Widow, Daisy values determination.
Which means believing you can do anything you set your mind to, and not letting anything stand in your way.
Well said. Now, for Donald's move, let's show off the strength of those muscles. Everyone flex your biceps. And as you do, scream smash!
Everyone have their hoses ready? 3, 2, 1. Avengers, assemble!
Wow, it sure takes a lot to be a hero, but I think we have covered it all. Cool outfits, awesome powers, and a powerful pose.
Jade, there's more to being a superhero than all of those things, right everyone?
I don't know, my pose is pretty powerful.
It's about knowing right from wrong and being there when someone needs help.
That's right, Minnie. You don't have to save a big city to be a hero. Standing up for a friend or helping out around the house can make you a hero too.
You mean all I have to do to be a hero is believe in myself, follow my heart, and do the right thing?
That's right. We can all be superheroes.
We sure can, right everyone?
But I still get to use my cool powers and do the powerful poses, right?
Of course. In fact, why don't we
Put all the moves together!
Yeah.
And then we should end with the powerful pose.
Are you sure you don't have superpowers? Because you just read my mind.
Oh, hey everybody, if you're ready, let me hear you say super! And if you feel like a hero, say hero!
Let's start with our first Captain America move. Let me see those shields and let's say zing.
Zing!
Time for our web shots. Let me hear you say flip, flip.
And it's time for some smashing. Let me see those muscles as we say smash.
Time for Black Widow. Let me see you run and say zoom. Zoom. Let's put all those together.
Zing! Flip! Smash! Zoom! Have we got it so far? Now we're gonna fly like Iron Man. So let's see those hands by your sides as we say whoosh!
Whoosh!
Now let's swing that hammer to the sky and say crack.
Crack! Now let me see those pretend scepters. Whack them to the ground and scream slam!
Slam!
Now let's put it all together. Zing! Flip! Smash! Zoom! Whoosh! Crack! Slam! Zing! Flip! Smash! Zoom! Whoosh! Crack! Slam! Zing! Flip! Smash! Zoom! Whoosh! Crack! Slam! Again! Zing! Flip! Smash! Zoom! Whoosh! Crack! Slam!
Now pose. Avengers assemble.
Nice job, everybody!
Hey Mickey, what's next?
Let's celebrate!
Great idea, Mickey! Hit it!
Alright everyone, we're gonna take all those moves that we just learned and turn them into a dance party. So let me see you up on your feet, cause it's time to dance.
Let's start with that Captain America move again. Let's sing!
Let's see those sweatshots. Flip, flip.
Let's see those muscles. Let's smash!
Time to zoom.
Time for some whooshing!
Now let's see that hammer swing and clap.
Now let's see those scepters and scream slam!
Now everyone, we want to see you freestyle.
Let's give it up for Mickey and Minnie!
Chip and Dale, let's see how mighty you are.
Let's see your moves, Goofy and Pluto!
That is the best thing to tell